Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with the Poultry site, and today we're here with Brittney Roorda. She is the Director of Marketing with Highline International. Thanks for being with us today, Brittney.
Thank you for having me.
Very good. Tell me a little bit about some of, or really like, what does sustainability mean to Highline International?
Sure. Sustainability has really been part of what we do as a research and development company for more than 80 years. We have to have birds that will produce more efficiently, who will have great feed conversion, so it's been part of what we do.
Very good. And tell me a little bit about, how does it, or what are some of the initiatives that you have within Highline related to sustainability?
As we've taken the opportunity to evaluate what our responsibility is as a layer breeder company, it's allowed us to really define our commitment in 3 P's. So one being people, the other being planet, and one being profits. On the people side, we have a world to feed that's definitely not shrinking. We are growing,
Right.
and the need for food is increasing. We know that egg is an amazing source of nutrition for people, and that's quite inexpensive. So our goal, as again a layer breeder company, is to say, how can we produce more eggs to feed more people? So the people side of things. And also part of that is, how can we create more jobs for people as we go along our
Right.
path and producing these baby chicks? The other part of one of the other P's is also planet. So looking at, from our production, from our carbon footprint, what can we do to really impact that? How many fewer liters of water are now being consumed by Highline laying hens versus the Highline hen of 30 years ago?
Right.
How many feed trucks are we now taking off of the road because our Highline hens have become so much more feed efficient through the years? And again, that ties into more than 80
Right.
years, really, we've been doing this great sustainability effort, and now we have a wonderful term to be able to define this for the audience. And that all relates back to our carbon footprint. Then the third P is profitability, and looking at not just Highline profitability, but truly profitability for the egg producer.
Right.
And that comes again tying into those other 2 P's with how are we producing more eggs and how are we making these birds more feed efficient.
Very good. And efficiency has really been a word that we just continue to hear at this show over and over again. Producers are trying to be more efficient in all of these ways, right? In all these categories that you were talking about.
Yes, definitely. We're not the only ones who have seen costs increase. Especially our egg producers have seen those feed costs increase.
Right.
And we know that it can be up to 70, sometimes more than 70% of the cost to produce an egg is that nutrition.
Right.
So again, as Highline, as a company, and working with our nutritionists and working directly with our customers, working on plans to help them develop how they can proceed in an efficient
Right.
manner that will be profitable for them.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for all the information today, Brittney.
Yeah, thank you. It's been great.
Absolutely. This is Sarah Mikesell with the Poultry site.